Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can prevent random strangers from adding you to a WhatsApp group without your consent. So basically, what I am saying that if you are annoyed from WhatsApp groups, I mean some random strangers adding you to a random group, you don't even know that group, and you are not even interested to that group. So how can you prevent that from happening on WhatsApp? So I got a solution for you. In order to do that, go to the settings here and keep this in mind. This will be the same in Android phones as well. Right now I'm showing this on iPhone. So yeah, after going to settings, you just need to scroll down and go to privacy. And as you can see here, there will be a bunch of options, but we need to go to these groups. And as you can see, currently who can add me to groups, it says everyone. So it means everyone on the internet who has WhatsApp and who has your number can add you in any group they want. So what you need to do is just change it to my contacts. So now what will happen now is only your people on your contacts can add you to a certain group. And also if you have someone in your contacts who is like annoying you and adding you to different groups, so what you can do is just tap this box and add that person name out here. So after adding the person out here, so for example, if my friend, this friend is annoying me and he's adding me to different groups, so what I will do is tap this option and include his name. So in this way, even though he is on my contact list, he won't be able to send me or add me in a group. So yeah, that's how you add restrict people from adding you to a group.